we are going to see about the therapies of a cervical erosion. So what are the common remedies which are used over here? That is sulfuric acid, carboanimalis and murex. So if you see the constitution point of view, as we know that the acid is having the exhaustion, and from the age wise if you see it, it is seen in most of the old female which are having some light hair, and the climateric age group it is more suited. While in case of carboanimalis there is a scrofulous and venous copper color face for old female, and for murex it is used for nervous, lively, active, affectionate women who are very weak and run down. So age wise this is both the remedies for more of related to that of climateric age group, while murex it is related with of more of reproductive age group and lively and affectionate females. So from the pathological point of view, where the affection of this remedy. So affection, sulfuric acid having affection both lips of the cervix. It affects both lips of the cervix, while carboanimalis affect lower lip of the cervix, and in murex it is the cervix is usually general cervix is affected, while it is becomes bulky and firm. That is from the this affection and pathological point of view. While in sulfuric acid there is a surface of portio vaginalis also shows multiple small and pearly white nodular elevation. That is it affects cervix plus portio vaginalis in case of sulfuric acid. Now how is the discharge of this? So in sulfuric acid there is a more of characteristics white discharge, while in carboanimalis there is a additional. In carboanimalis there is also a white discharge, but how it is difference between this? It is persistent, that is continuous white discharge, plus it is thick, purulent and ichorous. In sulfuric acid there is no offensive discharge, while in case of carboanimalis it is the purulent ichorous discharge and thick, which is in carboanimalis. Now from the pain point of view, what we say that how is in the sulfuric acid, carboanimalis and the this one murex. So pain, it is weak feeling with dragging sensation in the hips. Drag, what it means? Pushing downward, dragging sensation it is present in the sulfuric acid. And as we know that every acid is having the weak sensation. So weakness plus dragging sensation is present in the this one sulfuric acid. But in case of carboanimalis it is of more of stitching pain in the cervix, pain in coccyx region and burning when touched. That is burning pain, it is more of characteristics. And if we say in the murex, what is it? It is the pulsation. See the difference of pain. Here it is dragging pain, here it is stitching, burning pain, while here it is the pulsations. That is pulsation sensation in cervical os. And again bearing down pain. Here it is dragging pain, here it is bearing down sensation. Same it is present in the sepia also. And cutting pain in sacral region, sinking organ sensation in the stomach. That is the difference between the sulfuric acid, carboanimalis and the murex remedy. Now from the menses point of view, if you see, so what is the menses? Menstrual history, if you say in the sulfuric acid, it is early and profuse, while in this one carboanimalis it is too early, frequent, and the duration wise it is long lasting duration. So it is early and profuse, metrorrhagia after sexual intercourse, because cervical erosion we know that. But while in case of carboanimalis it is too early, frequent, long lasting, that is remains for long duration. And what is additional? Throbbing, that is what is similar, it is present in the belladonna. Throbbing headache after menses, characteristics, throbbing headache after menses. And how is the menses? It is scanty. In sulfuric acid it is profuse, while in carboanimalis it is scanty on first day, but afterwards more copious. More profuse discharge, it is color wise, it is dark color, clotted, putrid. Putrid means having pus, and flow in the morning. That is characteristics in the Carboniferous. And how is in the Murex nymphomania. That is increased sexual desire from suppressed menses. If any reason the menses are suppressed, there is an increased nymphomania is there, metrorrhagia is there, that is irregular menses are there, and sadness before menses, that is mental symptoms which is characteristic present in Murex, not in sulfuric acid, not in Carba animalis, and unconsciousness before the menses. So next what we are going to see the leukorrhea. So leukorrhea, it is acrid with burning, often with mucous membrane. Acrid and burning because sulfuric acid, what we know it. While in case of carbonyls, it is watery burning. Here is also burning. Here is also burning. Biting. But what is it? It is more on the walking or standing, and it stains the linen yellow. Whatever the clothes which are present, it stains the yellow. While in case of leukorrhea, alternate with mental symptoms. Here the mental symptoms, nymphomania is more present as compared to other two remedies. That is what we sense. And how it is the leukorrhea alternate with mental symptoms, green and bloody leukorrhea which is present. And what are the other complaints which can be present? So in case of Carboniferous, there may be leukorrhea which is offensive. There may be sometimes backache and induration, while in case indurated glands, while in Murex it is increased frequency of urination at night. That is characteristics. And next, that is the mind and modalities. So how is the mind of the sulfuric acid? As we know that these remedies are related with that of old female, that is sulfuric acid and carbonyls. So how these old females are going to react with that? So what is it? Is fretful, impatient, and unwilling to answers. That is sulfuric acid. And how is the mind? Hurry. Everywhere they are hurry. Just want everywhere they are, while eating, in movements, in occupation, while walking, while writing, anything they do it in the hurry. Changeable mood during the perspiration. If perspiration, their mood gets changed. That is, while in carbonyls, female is sad, anxious. What is going to happen? That is difference. So see the difference between sulfuric acid and carbonyls. Carbonyls doing hurry, worry, talking, everything it is hurry, like that of Laxomika. And how is the carbonyls? Old female, she is anxious. What is going to happen? Sad. That is characteristics what we see in the carbonyls. And how is Murex? Murex a little bit of young as compared to that of other two remedies. So how the Murex is? It is very irritable and peevish. What is meaning of peevish? Gets irritable on small things without any reasons. They are peevish, fretful, sad, and nervous, and lively, affectionate. They are active. That is the characteristics of Murex that what we see in point of view. And if we see the modalities point of view, so it is excess of heat or cold in afternoon and evening are going to affect it, and better by bond lying on affected side. That is the sulfuric acid, old female. Carbonyls is also old, but at aggression by slight touch or aggression after menses, and better by laying hand on affected parts. That is, if anything problem, just keep the hand. Yes, I'm feeling better. That is laying hand on affected parts. And how is the Murex? That is slight touch. It gets the aggravation. When slight touch to the geratin leads to the that of nymphomania. That is characteristics of Murex. So that is related of theraps of cervical erosion. Thank you.